FANUC Integrated Laser Systems. Take advantage of the CNC market leader's expertise in high-quality laser applications with FANUC's unique integrated laser package solution. Specifically designed CO2 laser sources, high-class FANUC laser CNCs, and high-performance FANUC drive systems, all together in an optimized interfaced laser package, providing leading performance and reliability even in harsh industrial environments. The FANUC CO2 laser source, with a power range from 1 to 6 kilowatts, provides a superior beam quality for excellent high-speed 2D and 3D cutting or combined laser punching. FANUC laser sources are compact and space-saving, with all components in one cabinet. They feature quick startup and stop. Its energy and gas consumption is very low, and the highest reliability on the market guarantees utmost productivity and uptime. The high-class FANUC Laser CNC control offers 2 controls in one, with best performance for both laser and machine tool. All interfaces are installed ex-factory for quick and safe communication. The Open Laser CNC allows easy activation of laser-specific functions. Easy customization reduces follow-up costs. And with the highest reliability worldwide, maximum productivity is guaranteed. For 3D laser machining, the FANUC Laser CNC simultaneously controls up to 5 axes and can support various 3D cutting heads. Smart functions as TCP programming and teaching or W-axis tracing control enhance your productivity further. Choose the drive system for your FANUC laser package from the widest range of servo, linear or torque motors, all providing the perfect combination of highest reliability at maximum acceleration and speed with an optimized energy efficiency. Thanks to superior beam quality, FANUC CO2 laser offer outstanding cutting speed and the smoothest cutting edge quality. Cutting mild steel from 1 up to 32 millimeters, or cutting stainless steel up to 20 millimeters and more, free from oxidation. With all cutting applications, FANUC CO2 laser guarantee a superior surface smoothness for a brilliant cutting edge. Enlarge your FANUC laser package with FANUC robots for smart full automation. Sharing one common control platform, all FANUC products are especially easy to connect and provide a smooth and reliable communication. Enhance your productivity even further with smart FANUC automation solutions like easy plug and play, visual pick and place of your laser cuts. Simply ask for the right solution for your task. FANUC high-end CO2 laser systems. One supplier, one contact for laser, CNC, drives and robot solutions. The perfect way to cut.